Before using your fluoride and arsenic reduction post filters, you will first need to prime or purge them. Here's how. First, with the blue caps in place, wash the exterior of each filter with mild dish soap. Remove the blue caps from both ends of the filter. Place the tan-colored purging button on top of one end of the filter, aligning the hole in the button with the hole in the filter. Press the purging button up against your faucet, using it to create a seal between the filter and your faucet. Gently turn on the cold water on your faucet. Allow the water to fill the cavity of the element and come out of the other end of the filter. The idea is to push water through the filter to dislodge and rinse away any residual process dust from the media of the filter. Allow the water to discharge until the water runs clear. This may take a few minutes. Then turn the filter in the other direction and repeat this process. You may need to purge the elements more than once in each direction. Please note that it is normal for the filters to become slightly warm during the purging process, so use caution and only cold water. Now you're ready to install your post filters in your Berkey system. Remove the upper chamber from your Berkey unit and gently place it upside down on a counter so that the stems of the black Berkey elements are facing upward. With the arrow on the post filter pointing away from the upper chamber, screw the post filter onto the stem of each black Berkey element for 8 full rotations. Do not over-tighten. Carefully replace the upper chamber onto the lower chamber. The post filters should now be hanging in the lower chamber of your unit. Fill the upper chamber with water and let it drain into the lower chamber. If residual process dust can be observed or tasted in the purified water, either repeat the purging process above or run several cycles through your system, discarding the water to waste. You've now successfully primed and installed your Berkey fluoride and arsenic reduction filters.